In the previous first round of Battle of the Burgers, we saw some of Dubai's most aspiring cooks battle it out to earn the judges' highest scores. The excitement levels were high, but so was the tension, with everyone trying to secure their position at the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas. Today, we move on to round 2. You're watching Cucina del Sul's Battle of the Burgers.
Welcome to session number 2 of
Battle of the Burgers, and this time I said it correct.
Yes, and remember, Battle of the Burgers is a World Food Championship qualifier event, an elite qualifier event.
So the winner is going all the way to Dallas, and we're so excited.
And who do we have cooking tonight? First up on the grill is Barbecue Sultan, Rahme. Let's go!
My name is Rahme Abraham, better known as the Barbecue Sultan on Instagram. You know, I've always had the love and passion to cook. Saw this as a cool opportunity to meet other people that love to do what I do. For me, the victory is really just sharing the love and passion of cooking and backyard barbecue. Here's to that. Good luck to everybody out there.
So my name is Walid Abla. I'm very excited about competing here, especially the fact that the winner will actually go to the US and compete there. I'm a very competitive person by nature, and may the best burger win.
Hi, I'm Saima, known as Food Snob on Instagram. I have a small catering business. I love baking and cooking as well. So I'm looking forward to this competition, and I hope I get to the next round.
I'm Nathali. I will be cooking the Trufflie burger today. I'm so excited to be part of this. It's gonna be fun. So this is kind of my first challenge in the cooking industry. Part of me being here as well is getting to know more this community around in Dubai.
It's now time to kick things off with 10 minutes on the clock for each cook to put together their best burger. First, let's check in with the Barbecue Sultan.
100% fresh ground brisket meat. So I use American cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, little pickle. The twist is in the sauce. I give it a little smokiness. The Barbecue Sultan, you know, you gotta have a little barbecue flavor to it.
Smelling really good, guys. Smelling really good.
I'm just worried why they keep falling apart, man.
And now it's time to check in with Walid, who soaks his onions in ice for that extra crisp.
Blend is 50% chuck, 50% ribeye. The meat is unseasoned because if you season it too early, it messes with the water content of the meat. 1 cheese split, yes, because I don't want the cheese to overpower everything else. But I feel nervous telling you that because you make bread. So the onions, I ran them under cold water and then an ice bath to reduce the onion flavor and increase the crunch.
Let's check in with Saima, who's bringing some heat with her spicy Wagyu burger.
It's Angus and Wagyu mince, marinated with togarashi spice, some cream cheese, pepper and chili flakes. A little nerve-wracking, but it's fine.
And last but not least, let's check what Nathali is up to, who decided to use rocket leaves for a touch of bitterness.
This is a meat that I've experimented with my butter a couple of times. And onions, the champignons, the cheese, it has parmesan, emmental, and the last touch is actually the rocket. Just a bit of bitterness on top of the burger.
Hey Nathali, how are you feeling?
Good. Let's see how it goes after Rahme's amazing burger.
What I really like is you're going for you.
Yeah, that's actually
like,
very true.
Yeah, that's cool. Very cool.
As the cooks put together their final touches on the burgers, let's take a look at the judging panel for round 2 of Battle of the Burgers.
Hi, my name is Chef James Knight Pacheco, and I'm here to be part of the incredible judging panel.
I'm Elias Kandala from Pinch Gourmet. I'm the executive chef.
My name is Nicole Moftoum, a dietitian, a food blogger, and a home cook.
Hi, I'm Samantha, food blogger and travel writer.
My name is Chang. I'm the owner of 1004 Gourmet and Ugly Burger.
And time's up for the cooks. Let's find out if their burgers taste as good as they look. Starting with the Barbecue Sultan's burger, the Keepin'it Classy.
in the beginning the nerves got really a bit too much for him, but execution, and he did well. I have to say, under pressure, and you know, he was the first one. Being the first one is always the hardest.
Absolutely, yeah.
One thing I would have kind of liked, if I'm going to critique something, the bun. Yes, you toasted it, but just before you put everything together, make sure it's hot.
Feels like you're just getting swallowed by people, and it's really intimidating. I was scared.
Next for the judging panel is Walid's burger, the Wally.
The char is amazing. Super crispy. As Elias said, I think if it's at 22%, I think it needs to be kind of undercooked a bit.
It's missing some freshness. If, for example, an easy tomato or a relish or something like that would have just elevated it really well.
And it was nerve-wracking. The lights, the heat of the grill, everyone's looking at you, people are putting you live on Instagram. It was hard to read the judges' faces, but I could see that they were trying to hide something. I don't know, I'm getting thumbs up in the background, but hopefully all goes well.
Saima, on the other hand, decided to bring the heat to the judges with her spicy Snob Burger. Let's see just how much heat she can handle herself.
Appearance was underwhelming, but the taste over-delivered.
Wow.
This is when you say, don't judge a book by its cover.
Oh, Shraul, it's consistent in the judges,
It's consistent.
For me, the lower points is appearance. The high points, honestly, the taste is pretty good.
This was very mind-boggling, and no matter what the result is, I'm really happy.
And last but not least, Nathalie's Trufflie burger is put to the test, but will it hold up against the others?
Number one, what I liked, obviously, the mushrooms, the idea, all the ingredients together, it makes sense, it works.
I would have added a bit more salt, but with the parmesan. I just would have added more parmesan and a crunchier rocket.
I think it went well. I don't think I'm winning, but that's fine. We're here also to enjoy ourselves and meet other amazing people.
And the judges' scores are finally in as we approach that moment of truth to find out just who's one step closer to the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas.
Now, for the serious stuff.
Really well done to all of you. It was very hard to judge. Some of you guys did something so damn well, and then there's just little things that it's like, oh, if they only did that, they would have gotten that one extra point. And you could see it, like it's really that point something different.
Really important is the burger to patty ratio. Just think about how the guest is going to eat it. Yeah, your flavors are incredible, but also think about the guest. And also the superstar of that burger must always be the patty. Don't forget that. All right, but really well done. Honestly, well done. Thank you.
And that's a wrap.
Yep.
Session 2.
Session 2 done.
Battle of the
Scores are
Burgers.
out. And the judges' vote, which is the official one, goes to...
The Wally.
Wow.
Followed by, very, very closely, with Keepin'it Classy.
Keepin'it Classy.
So the scores like 7.93 and 7.9. We had some beautiful surprises. I think like the Snob Burger
was the biggest surprise for us.
Biggest surprise. Stay tuned. Session 3 coming up. And have a good night.